Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about this beauty airbrush system that I got into the mail today. I got it for skincare. It's super cool, so let's open it up, see what it looks like, and put it together. These are the cleaning tools. Comes with this so you can squirt your skincare in there. This is where you put the skincare. Pause it. Okay, so this is everything it comes with. All of this stuff right here. So this and a bigger one like this. See? A charger and some cleaners. So this is where you put the water or the product right here. And then this is how you turn it on. And then this is how you spray. You press the button. And it has two different levels, a large level and a medium level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some skincare in here and show you guys how it works. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and I'll show you guys how I apply the skincare to my daughter's face. So I put water and skincare right in here, and then this button, it releases it. And right here, it's how much it releases. So let's go ahead and do a lot. And literally just a dab will do it. How does that feel on your face?
Soft.
See? All right, now switch. Super easy to use and I highly recommend. It's super fun too. It makes my skincare routine very fast and super fun. It blows out oxygen with the water and the skincare, which I absolutely love. And right here, you can show how much of it you want to come out. You can also use this with foundation, but my favorite is skincare because it's just so good for the skin. You can also use it for your hands or really all over your skin, as you can tell. So thank you so much for watching my video and I hope it helped. This makes a perfect gift for Mother's Day or for like a birthday present, especially if they like makeup or skincare. This is so heavy duty and it's amazing. I absolutely love it. And I literally couldn't live life without it. Thank you so much for watching my video and I hope it helped.